How to fix Peekaboo app not working. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. The very first thing you should do if you encounter this problem is to see if you have connected to a strong internet connection. So you have to check that because that could be one of the reasons why you encounter some errors or this application is not working. Another thing is that one of the reasons why it's not working is that you are not using the latest version of this application. So in order for you to update Peekaboo, all you have to do is to go to any web browser or you can go to Play Store or App Store, search for Peekaboo and make sure that you didn't see this update button, the color blue update button. So once you see that one, all you have to do is to click that so that you can update this application and you can now use the latest version of this application and you will not encounter any errors and this application will work well. The last thing to do is to long press this application and go and click this app info. Now what you're going to do next is to tap this storage usage and this time you have to look and tap this clear cache. So don't worry, it will not affect anything here in your Pickable application. It will just remove temporary application that may be the reason why you encounter this error or maybe the reason why this app is not working well. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.